Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Now the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, right here. To remove the cover, you will have these two black tabs. Just want to push them towards the air box and then lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Rear wiper fuse, it's a fuse number 3, which is a 15M blue fuse located here. In case this fuse proves to be good, then you will have to make sure that the rear wiper motor is working. You'll have to check all the wiring and electrical connections and the rear wiper switch. But first things first, always check this fuse, as quite often this is the most common reason for the wiper not to work. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.